Hello, hi, welcome back to my YouTube video. Topic: Types of sodas in sign language. Types of sodas in sign language. Type using letter P, letter T, using letter T. Type using letter T. Type of soda. Soda. The way you open it. Soda. Coke. How do you send Coke? Soda. Black. Soda. Black. Soda. Black. Soda. Black. Fanta. How do you send Fanta? You send like soda using F. Soda. You open. Now it's Fanta. You open using F. Fanta. Black currant. How do you send black currant? Soda and then red. Soda, red. Black currant. Stony. How do you send stony? How do you send stony? Soda and then hard. Soda. So how do you send soda, hard? Stony. Juice. How do you send juice? Juice. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again in the next video. See you again.